Welcome back to Digital Creators Hub. I'm your host Blessing. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the world of video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm excited to show you essential techniques for trimming and cutting your videos like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your editing skills, these tips will help you achieve seamless and polished results. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we dive into editing, make sure you have your footage imported into Premiere Pro. Our first technique involves the razor tool. The razor tool is your go-to tool for making precise cuts in your video clips. You can find it in the toolbar on the left or simply press the C key on your keyboard to activate it. To make a cut using the razor tool, position your playhead at the point where you want to split the clip. Then click on the clip at that point. You will see a cut being made, and now you have two separate clips. Now, let's say you want to remove a section from a clip. Simply select the portion you want to delete by clicking and dragging over it. Then hit the delete key on your keyboard. The unwanted part is gone and your clip is now trimmed. The razor tool isn't just for cutting. It's also great for rearranging clips. Let's say you want to move a section of your clip to a different position. Use the razor tool to cut the clip at both ends of the section you want to move. Then click and drag that section to its new location. The razor tool is incredibly versatile. You can even use it to split audio and video tracks separate. Simply make sure you are on the right track. Then use the razor tool to cut either the audio or video portion of the clip. The second technique is ripple delete. Ripple delete is a fantastic tool that allows you to remove a selected clip from your timeline while automatically adjusting the surrounding clips. This keeps your timeline intact, making it perfect for trimming without leaving gaps. So to get this done, select the clips you want to cut or trim using ripple delete. You can either right-click on the clip and choose Ripple Delete or use the shortcut Shift Delete to delete it. Ripple Delete is your secret weapon for removing unwanted content too. Let's say you have a mistake or an extra section in your clip. Select the portion you want to remove, apply Ripple Delete, and voila! The gap is gone and your timeline remains seamless. The third and final technique is the selection tool. The selection tool is your go-to tool for basic clip manipulation. You can find it in the toolbar on the left or simply press the V key on your keyboard to activate it. To select a clip, simply click on it with the selection tool active. You will notice the clip's border turn yellow to indicate it's selected. With your clip selected, position the playhead where you want to make the cut. Now go to the clip menu and select cut. Trimming is just as easy. Hover your cursor over the edge of a clip until it changes to a bracket icon. Then click and drag the clip's edge to adjust its duration. To remove unwanted content, select the portion you want to delete and hit the delete key on your keyboard. The surrounding clips will adjust automatically. The selection tool is also great for rearranging clips. Click and drag a clip to a new position on the timeline. You will notice that the other clips will adjust accordingly. So for precise trimming, use keyboard shortcuts. By holding the Ctrl key, you can drag the clip's edges to trim in or out while maintaining the overall duration. There you have it, guys. 3 essential techniques for trimming and cutting videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. With these tools at your fingertips, you'll be able to create seamless edits, polished transitions, and professional looking videos. Remember, practice is key, so don't hesitate to experiment and find your own editing style. Thanks for joining me today on Digital Creators Hub. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. Happy editing, happy content creation.